If you have or are considering building a WordPress website, and if your enterprise revolves around products or services that lend themselves to visual representation, I don't think you could do much better than choosing the FooGallery Photo Gallery plugin. Let me show you what I mean with examples from 3 galleries I've created. The first 2 galleries use the Pro version of FooGallery and the FooGallery Pro Lightbox. The third example uses the free version of FooGallery and the FooBox free Lightbox. The first example here is from beachcourtvilla.com. Let's go to Photo Gallery. The client chose to group images in 5 different galleries by topic. The galleries are listed in a table of contents at the top using a separate plugin called Easy Table of Contents. You can click on a link in the table of contents to jump down to the topic or gallery you want to see, or you can simply scroll down the page, up and down the page. Notice the lazy loading as I scroll down. What this means is that FooGallery doesn't load images to the page until you get to them. Lazy loading, by the way, is a feature of the free plugin as well. The gallery template used for all of these 5 galleries is a justified gallery, one of 6 to come with both the free and the pro version of FooGallery. Each gallery template has a host of customization options, the universe of which varies by template and also by version, free or pro. When I hover over a thumbnail, if there is a caption, you will see it, along with an icon indicating that the thumbnail can be clicked to load the lightbox. We configured this particular lightbox to display the current image's caption at the top and a film strip of thumbnails from the gallery on the right, along with their captions. To navigate among images, you can either click the right and left arrow keys, or you can jump directly to an image by clicking on its thumbnail in the film strip. And then you can scroll down here and go to another. In the lightbox, you have the options to go full screen and to toggle the visibility of the current image's caption. Here's the visibility of the caption, and this will go full screen. To exit the lightbox, you simply click that X, and now you're back to the gallery. Now let's jump to an example from the live website of photographer Miguel Pagliari, whose business is called PhotoWork. This implementation also uses the pro version of FooGallery. 2 differences from the Beachcourt Villa approach jump out immediately. First, the template used here is what FooGallery calls Polaroid Pro. The thumbnails look a bit like old Polaroid photos, as if they were spread out on a table. Yes, the Polaroid Pro template requires the FooGallery Pro plugin. Secondly, this gallery utilizes filtering, a pro feature. Notice the gallery names along the top, along with numbers indicating how many images are in each gallery. Now, the initial view loads thumbnails from all of the galleries, 54 in total. Notice also the pagination navigation buttons. I'll click on them. Since we configured each gallery to display 12 images on a page, we need 5 pages to display all 54 images. To filter the images for a specific gallery, you simply click on its name along the top. I'll choose Editorial, now Portraits, Scenic, Subway Series, and Weddings. The lightbox for these galleries is similar to the one used at beachcourtvilla.com with a few small differences. 1. The captions, what that they are, appear on the lower left. The film strip does not display captions. And you can play the images like a slideshow. Here is the indicator. I've set this to play every 3 seconds, faster than I would normally. If you want it to pause, you click the pause button. Finally, here's a gallery I created as a demo using the free FooGallery plugin and the FooBox free Lightbox. Like the Beachcourt Villa galleries, this gallery uses the Justified Gallery template. For this demo, I added simple temporary placeholder captions for all images except one. Here's the longer one. Clicking a gallery thumbnail launches the free Lightbox viewer, FooBox Free. The enlarged image appears with a caption and left and right navigation arrows. Notice that the film strip and full screen features of the FooGallery Pro Lightbox are not supported by the FooBox Free Lightbox. As with other Lightboxes, to close it and return to the gallery, click the X. I've only skimmed the surface of what FooGallery, and especially FooGallery Pro, can do. In fact, one of the most exciting features of FooGallery Pro is its support for adding media dynamically from sources other than the WordPress media library. There are 7 such data sources, and I wrote a blog article about this feature last year. I've provided a link to that article in the video description. And here is a screenshot of it. In almost 3 decades of building websites, I've implemented website photo galleries in many ways, including custom programming. Since 2007, when I started using WordPress as the platform for most of my website projects, I've kicked the tires on and have fallen in and out of love with a number of WordPress Photo Gallery plugins, including the classic Next Gen Gallery and responsive Gallery and Lightbox. While I do maintain an open mind, knowing, of course, that a new game-changing image gallery plugin could arrive on the scene any day, or that one I haven't paid attention to already exists, I'm pretty much sold on FooGallery for now. And yes, FooGallery Pro is my plugin version of choice. Currently a 1-year single-site license for the Pro version costs $49.99. I do understand that not everyone can or wants to spend money on WordPress plugins when WordPress itself is free, as are so many excellent plugins, including photo gallery plugins. But remember that the premise of this presentation is that you run an enterprise that revolves around products and services that lend themselves to visual representation. Whether you're a builder, painter, graphic artist, dress designer, electrician, photographer, architect, bridal shop, you name it, there's a good chance that this $50 investment will pay for itself in no time. Check out the FooPlugins website for demos and feature descriptions. This page that we're on now distinguishes between free and premium templates and features, and provides links to demos for each gallery, template, and plugin feature. So for instance here, this is the Justified Gallery. Several examples. You can test drive them and see what you think. No, I do not have an affiliate relationship with FooPlugins. I'm not even sure they have one. If you're thinking of adding a photo gallery to your WordPress website or upgrading an existing one, and you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Call, write, or post your comments on YouTube or on my blog. I'll be happy to tell you what I know and answer your questions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found something of value. If you did like this presentation, please let me and the world know with a thumbs up, a share, or a comment. If you are not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And remember, insightful does not start with an I, because you come first. Also, in the interest of full disclosure, insightful with an I was already taken.